So I just got my second Alexa. We're gonna configure this and see how easy it will be to put another one. So let's open this thing. Let's see. I like the white color. We get the manual and the transformer. I have the black version, and I think this one looks pretty cool. We plug in, we start, and it find it. I mean, guys, you don't have to do anything. If you own the first Alexa, when you put the second one, automatically detect it. I think it knows my IP address. That's the way they figure it out. So if you're gonna buy this, configure first one, and then after that, pretty simple. You know, it will be the second one, the third one. As you see there, when I go there in my config, we can see the second Alexa. I didn't have to do anything. Plug it in. If you saw in a few minutes, just make the video a little shorter. But if you guys buy a second Alexa, was pretty simple. In my case, I like the white version since it will be right in my desk. I think it looks pretty cool. What I'm going to do now, I just got this holder for Alexa, and I think this type of holder looks pretty cool in the desk. Plus it's a white color like Alexa, and I think like a white color, the same color for me. It looks real white. So let's check that one out, and I think it will look real cool. So that's my new holder. You just plug it in, pretty simple. It goes right from the back. Then you apply the 5 volts, and guys, what do you think? It looks real nice. I think it looks real attractive right in my desk. So it's kind of an angle, not flat, so you can see the lighting, I guess. All right, so that's it for this small tutorial. Thank you very much. Bye.